Hey guys, welcome to Nelson Ridge Farm. I'm Brad. Hey, we're out of firewood bundles. A nice man just called me. He wanted more than 7, so I made all I had, and I used all the dry firewood I had. I got plenty of seasoned, but it had been rained on, and I used all that I had in the barn. I got an idea. I put a little cherry in that I was going to use for our own wood stove because I love burning cherry. I'm gonna go see if I can make some bundles out of cherry that's under a shed. I got a video I hadn't quite shown yet, but I got a new air cleaner on there on the Harbor Freight. Sheriff flying by. Okay, this is bone dry cherry here, very well seasoned. Yeah, I can make some bundles out of this. They were shorter than I wanted. Long time viewers remember this is that 100-year-old chicken coop. I've stored firewood in here before, but this was cherry that it's very well seasoned. It's shorter than I like for bundles, but that's perfect bundle. That'll go in there. So I'll go get the little lawnmower tractor, the trailer for that, the little John Deere green tractor, and I'll get some of this cherry. I'll take it over there to the barn, and I'm going to split with the Harbor Freight and the machine and the bundlers over there. The John's Welding bundlers already over there. So a couple moving pieces. I'll try to get it figured out, and I'll be right back. All right, I left enough room, I think, to get that green trailer out. There's the bundler. See, I used every piece of that to make his last order. Plus, he took whatever was in the stand, and I'll get the lawnmower and we'll go get some cherry. Guys, it's Christmas season, and I'm doing firewood right now. I'll show you these sometime, but these are Fraser firs from North Carolina. That might make 7 bundles. I won't have to split very much. It's dry. 7 bundles. While I had it out, I didn't video, but we got a little tiny wood stove in the shop. See that shop over there in that little chimney? So these are be perfect for it. Put a bunch of scraps. It's getting dark. I hope you can see us. All right, guys, that'll do it. Full firewood bin again. Christmas season rocking. Thank y'all very much. See you next time. Like the video, please.